Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy the link to your form on Typeform. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you want to go ahead and log on to Typeform. And then here we have one of our forms which you want to get the link for. So in order to do that, you want to click on these three dots, and then you want to find where it says copy link. So now that you have this link, if we open up a new tab, you can actually send this link, and this is what people are going to get. So with this form, you can see that right now it's actually set to private. So what I actually forgot to do is that you actually have to click onto the form and then click on publish. So once you publish this form, you'll see that you also have the link right over here. So if we actually retry it again, there you have it. So now the form starts to load up. Here's when I'm going to enter the website, and you should be able to go ahead and receive responses. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to go ahead and copy the link to your form on Typeform. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.